Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make an advanced checkpoint system for your hobby. So let's get started. We'll start off by going to Workspace, and I'm gonna add a folder with the checkpoints in it. Checkpoints. I'm gonna delete the spawn location. I'm gonna insert a part. I'm gonna make it just insert a part and make it how long you want the checkpoint to be. I'm gonna keep it anchored off and can collide off, and I'm gonna name it number 1. Just here double click, or here name 1. Now I'm gonna make a second one with number 2 so we can see how they're working, and we're just gonna start scripting now. We're gonna make a server script service, a script. I'm gonna name it checkpoint manager, checkpoints manager, yeah. And I'm gonna do local checkpoints equals to game checkpoints folder equals to game dot workspace. Wait for game dot workspace. Wait for child checkpoints. And now we're gonna loop through each one of them with a for loop for for index, comma, checkpoint, in pairs, game, yeah, I already have a checkpoints folder, get children, do. So if you don't know what a for loop does, it basically just runs every single, for example, now we got this, gives a table with full of the children of the checkpoints folder, and it just runs each individual one of them one by one, the code down here. So let's just make a touched event. So checkpoint dot touched connect function other part local humanoid equals to other part dot parent find first child humanoid, and then local player equals game dot players get player from character other part dot parent. So if humanoid and player, then okay, for now we're just gonna make some leader stats. If you already have leader stats, just skip this part. So leader stats, come on, leader stats. So game dot players dot player added connect function player not in angry caps. So local leader stats equals instance dot new folder. So leader stats dot parent equals to player, and then leader stats dot name. This is required. It needs to be leader stats. Leader, just like leader stats. So otherwise it will not pop up as a leaderboard. Now local states equals to instance dot new. I'm gonna make this a number value. So states dot value, no, the name for now equals states, and come on, and then states dot parent equals leader stats, and then states dot value equals to 0 and no 1, sorry. Now if you don't want this to add to show in the leader stats in the leaderboard, you can just remove it, just make it into the player and just change the script here for now. So if player dot leader stats dot states, now if you had it put it in the players, just remove this and just do player dot states. So dot value plus 1 equals to toe number. So we're gonna make this into number checkpoint dot name. We're gonna name the checkpoint dot name into number. So if the stage is 1 and the checkpoint is 1, it's 2, sorry. Then 1 by plus 1 equals 2, so then we can go to the checkpoint. So we're gonna do player dot stage dot value plus equals 1. So let's see if this is working, if it's changing our checkpoint states. Now that's good, and if we go back, it doesn't change. So that's our checkpoints manager done for this part of the code. Now we're gonna go ahead and make a function, so every time the player spawns, we're gonna put them into the checkpoints. So game.players.player added, connect function player. So now we're gonna do player.character edit, connect function character. So now every time the character is added into the game, we're gonna make sure its position is good enough. So we're gonna do this: local current checkpoint equals to checkpoints folder, find first child, stage, player dot stage dot value. Now character set primary part C-frame current checkpoint dot C-frame, and just make sure you put them a little bit up. So I'm just gonna do 0,2 just to 4, so the character is a little bit off-centered. Okay, that didn't work. Let's see the output. Stage is not a valid member of courses. Okay, I forgot to do player dot leader stats, and now it should be working. Yeah, we spawn in 1. Now you go to 2, and if you reset, you now spawn in 2. Okay, well, I'll be posting the whole script in the description, this whole checkpoints manager, if you want to check it out. It's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory, and that's it. See you another time, I guess.